Hello everyone, this is Film Gear X here again, and I got two packages that literally just showed up. Two packages and something off to the side here that I will save for the end. Um, yeah, so let's hop right into these. This one, I'm pretty sure I know what it is, and I've been excited because uh, I, if you saw one of my previous videos with my Walking Dead Blu-ray as well, you'll see. Uh, Number two finally showed up, season two with the Best Buy exclusive Menticular cover. Let's see. Yep, and then of course the regular cover. If you just bought it, normally. Feels like the case is kind of broken because it's not clicking shut. But I guess I can always just find or order a replacement case online. But yeah, just one, two, three, and four. I actually just finished rewatching season two on Netflix, and yeah, so I'm probably just gonna jump into my Blu-rays now and start with season three and just go on from there. But yeah, Walking Dead season two, probably one of the best ones with the uh, with the huge twist in the middle of the season. Like what is it like episode 8 or whatever, or like or actually no, the tail end of episode 7, going into episode 8. But yes, here's this. Uh, let's hop into this one. Uh, I don't think it's gonna like me right now, but okay, I'm seeing it's in a protective bit in here. Uh, okay, I'm happy. If this is what I think this is, I'm gonna be very happy. Um, because I got uh when I opened up those Walking Dead comics, the mystery ones, the mystery blind bags, I I got the regular one for the Walking Dead 100, and this one I purchased separately. I want to say before I even ordered that one, I purchased this one separately because I thought the cover looked cool, and yeah, this one is I want to say, yes, this is the Virgin variant. I believe that's the term that we've coined when it comes to comics without you know, the title overhead. But yes, let's see. Wow, that looks nice. This one right here, the Walking Dead 100 Virgin variant, first appearance of Negan, the death of Glenn, which is like proudly displayed right there, right on the cover. Oh, that's brutal. Yeah, but I love it. I, I think it looks great. Even though I don't approve of what happened to Glenn, I don't approve of it. Oop. But yeah, those are my two Walking Dead theme things, and this is just a random um uh purchase that I made today. Just on a whim. Plus, I mean, I'll be honest, I had looked at it online on the GameStop website, and it was down from like $90 down to 41, and then I had a $5 off coupon, so it brought it down, by $5. But I picked up the Gears of War Funko Gears Pop Collector's Box, and you get, let's see if it says, It says right here. Or no, wait. No, wait, where the hell? Ah, right here. 4 vinyl figures, 4 Funko Pops, 4 enamel pins, a hardcover book, a hat, and a digital code. Let's find out. Okay, here I'm back again now, and here is my. Oh, here's my. Well, the rest of the video, as I was showing you, says you get 4 pop figures, 4 enamels, a book, a hat, and a digital code. So let's get right into this. Go. Try to get it right here. This looks pretty darn cool. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Let's see what we got going on here. Well, looks like on top the digital code for Gears Pop. That's just the enamel pens. Here's the book. It's a hardcover book. Here, let me start putting stuff over here. And let's get the hat. Yeah, it's a nice hat. I like this. It's got the Funko logo in it and all that garb in it. And then taking out all the other stuff in here. Here's Pop Pops. This is Queen Myra. This is very nice. Let's see. And then I got 3 more in there. Let's see. We have right here Anya Stroud. It says Gears Pop Collector's Box. So yes, she is exclusive to this set. We have Scourge. It's all red. It looks pretty damn cool. And then last but absolutely not least, they come kind of wrapped up here, but we have Golden Marcus Phoenix from Gears Pop Collector's Box. Yeah, nice. So yeah, and that's everything that was in there. I mean, eh, for what I said, I want to say I had said 41, and then I got $5 off. So for this hat, the enamel pins, this code, which code gives you It's a redeemable code, digital content available for download after the official launch of Gears Pop game. Okay, yeah, eh, sweet deal. I might even go back and grab a second one of these just to, you know, like the pops are neat, and I don't mind having extras or anything. But yeah, there's the enamel pins, and then the book. Let's get that out. Yeah, well, let's see. Oh wow, that looks kind of neat. Let's see, what's it look like? Oh yeah, here's some of the stuff here. Can't really see it all, but you know. Yep, there's Marcus. There's the Rumok. Oh yeah, this thing's this is a pretty damn good deal if you ask me. Really good deal. Uh, yeah, but yeah, let me put these back in here the way that they were, and her putting everything right back in the way that it was. And yeah, I mean, yeah, that was right here, the little thing, and yeah, this is how it was. Oh, let me kind of adjust that right there. But yeah, this is what it looks like, when you first open it. And then there's, you move that, and then there's your other two products. But yeah, definitely, if you have any rewards for GameStop or any points, redeem it for some reward certificates, and you'll be good. I mean, if you like Funko, if you like Gears of War, all of it, I say go for it. So yeah, uh, yeah, all this. Let me put that back. All this with, oh sorry, with that and my Virgin variant of Walking Dead 100. Pretty damn good day, and I have I'll have some more stuff coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Um, Obviously nothing Sunday. And then I think Thursday and Friday as well. And yeah, and then I'm gonna be ordering some more stuff tomorrow. Um, Tomorrow I have something uh, um, that I'm going to be ordering um, and having it shipped to me from Amazon. So look out for that. It'll be a mystery until you see it. But yeah, awesome. If you love Gears of War, like there's no reason you shouldn't have this box. Uh, I mean, I'll be honest with you. I mean, even at its original price, um, it's still a good it, it's still a good deal because I mean, you're getting four Funko Pops that you can't get anywhere else. You can't get these versions anywhere else but here. And this hat, if you like hats, you can't get that hat anywhere but here. The book, the enamel pins. I mean, you can get enamel pins anywhere, but I mean, these ones specifically tailored to this box. Yeah. So I mean, even at full price, if well, it's a good deal. But since it's knocked down in price, on their site, and when I went in, I looked at the site first, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna tell them. that it's cheaper on there to see if they could give me the price. And uh, after they scanned this at the register, it it rang up for the price that it was showing online. So didn't have to say anything. Everything was all good. I used my $5 rewards that you get. You get the $5 reward if you're a pro member each month on the first, and I decided to use it on this. But yeah, so yeah, Gears of War. Check this out, and I mean, even if you aren't a Gears of War fan, pick this up, and you you absolutely just may become one. You never know. But yeah, that's uh, that's enough for that's enough for me tonight. I am I'm well exhausted. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want more great content, and I'll try to bring you the best content that I possibly can within my abilities. So yeah, have a good one.